Meet the award-winning E-Class at Mercedes-Benz Auckland and Newmarket. The E-Class has just won New Zealand's Car of the Year for good reason.
The perfect executive vehicle, the iconic E-Class is the kind of car that lets you enjoy the journey as much as the destination.
Step inside to experience the MBUX Superscreen, the high-tech personalised dashboard that adapts to you. Paired with active ambient lighting, every drive feels like an event. On the road, the E-Class glides effortlessly with its sophisticated suspension. And with a 190 kilowatt turbocharged engine, it's got the power to match its elegance. With advanced safety tech, including features like augmented reality navigation and the Driving Assistance Package Plus, every journey is as secure as it is seamless. Equipped with a Burmester sound package, you can immerse yourself in true Dolby Atmos.
When you choose the E-Class, you're not just driving, you're embracing a lifestyle that reflects all you've achieved. It's your time to enjoy the finer things.
So talk to our expert team and explore the E-Class today at Mercedes-Benz Auckland, Newmarket's home of Mercedes-Benz.